Hello and welcome to the last video from the contest. Yeah, I will release this video. This is made on Thursday, but it will be released on Sunday. Yeah, then I can check if you have followed the channel and 39%. No. We do not this trade. We do not this trade, yes. We do here a small video, which it's the last one for the contest. So we make 1, 2, 3 trades. 1, 2. Ooh, USD, Canadian dollar, 17. Okay. We have some time. It's 16 o'clock to 16:01. And we look if this signal is hot. Yeah, it must be a red candle or a down candle. In this case, it's orange. And yeah, I can see who is liking, who is commenting. On Monday, I will prove and write down who has passed all the hints. Yes, like liking, commenting. Also, write a comment. Yes, and following and watching all the video time. You must watch all the videos from 0 to the end. GBP out. I must fix this that they are on the left, or maybe we can do some trade. It's M2 in GBP Australian dollar. Yeah. Ooh, going strange to the moon. So we start at 2 and finished at 4. Yes. This candle must be finished. What a question. If there's a signal and I have to wait 10 seconds, 15 seconds till the next one, must I wait? Yes, you must wait. You must wait like 1 minute and 30 seconds. Yeah. Then I know if the signal is hot or not. For sure, here we got in the candle before the signal, but here we wait. Yeah. If this happens in the wind, then we come back to the next candle. Now we have many action in the British pound. You see, everything is GBP, USD, CAD. But it's British pound. We stay here. We make the alert stopped, that it don't ghost me on my X. And close this, we take that, and yeah, everything is fine. Okay, 20 seconds. Ho, Johnny. Yeah, here's a good spot. Yeah, here's a pivot, but here it has also a nice turning point. If we look at this, yes, he was here going up and down, and here is in this area, and I'm in the trade now. Okay, we make this a little bit pam. Ho, he has power. But fall down, that's better for me. The return is 84. So if we lose this, we have 306.67. And we finish it to this, and yeah, now we are prepared. It can happen anything. If we win, we are happy. If we lost, we are ready for the next trade. And yeah, I'm going on pause not to make this video so long. So some seconds are still. He has very good power. But now it's time to say goodbye. 3, 2, 1, palm. We are in the trade for down. And we are 2 minutes in the trade for down. We go on pause and come back when it's done. So here the trade looks very good. I think we will win this, yes. Here we have the M2 charts candles, yes, and here we have the M1. That's why we have here 2 candles, yes. First minute, second minute is here 1 candle. If we switch this, it's one like this, but this looks more. Oh, we have the same. Phew. Yes, we won this trade. Very good. We don't need, you see the green Haken, and we don't need a next martingale trade that I entered. And I won this trade. Yeah. So, now it's weekend. It's Sunday. I wish you good luck at the contest. On Monday, I will check all, who is qualified for winning. And on Tuesday, 19 o'clock, 7 p.m. German time, it's GMT +2 at the moment in the summer. The winner will be determined, yes, by Sebastian in live trading in Telegram. And I give him the numbers, how many are qualified. They all get a number 1, number 2, number 3, number 5, and then it will be shuffled, and one number it will picked up, and this person will get $100 trading money in the pocket, in his or her pocket option trading account. Yes. Okay. I wish you what, and we see us late at Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday in the live trading, and then I hope you will win. Bye bye.